with some vocabulary like this, right? So match each of the following with a definition or a description it demonstrates. Okay, so a negative exponent, from what we went over in the lesson, it just means that we're going to reciprocate whatever value we have, and that's showing, it looks like it's f right there. And that would be the best term I could think of to describe a negative exponent. A zero exponent is when we get a value of 1. And the only thing I can see that's really showing that, maybe g right here, right? So a zero exponent gives you a value of 1. And again, that's the exponent. And there's a difference between a base and an exponent. An index, that's kind of the exponent for roots. So let's see, indicates the root of the radical. Yeah, so that looks like it'd be b right there on this one. And then a trinomial is an expression that has 3 terms. So this one, yeah, it's just calling it still a polynomial, because 3 is still poly, but it needs the 3 terms for a trinomial. Tri is 3. So that looks like that's a. And then a hypotenuse is the longest leg on a right triangle, which also would sit opposite to the right angle. So if you look at a triangle like this, your right angle is right here in black, but it sits what we consider opposite to that. So that would be, looks like D in this case. Side opposite the right angle. And then the radicand, yeah, it's not equal to 0. None of these really match that. So it looks like it's the term underneath the radical sign. So you have the radical, which is usually the root like this. And, you know, sometimes we've seen this with the cube root. But in terms of what the radicand in, it's the value that we put inside that radical like this. So that appears to be E.